What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about my 7th dividend payment with AGNC. I love getting payments from AGNC because it is a monthly paying dividend stock. But hey, once again, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I've been investing for quite some time, and literally I got smacked around really hard in 2020, and I'm still trying to recover. So in this video, I'm going to show you my 7th dividend payment that I've gotten from AGNC, which is a monthly dividend paying stock. I love monthly paying stocks just because it's always exciting to get dividend payments monthly. As a matter of fact, I did a video where I talked about how much money I made in the month of April in regards to dividend. I'll be sure to link that video at the top right here so you can click on that card, or I'll link it at the end of the video as well so you can click on the card at the end of the video. Okay, so right now, you guys will be able to see my current portfolio right now. And so the market is currently closed at the making of this particular video, but you may see the price fluctuate because, of course, I have Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is, I guess, they never close, right? So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and click on Robinhood here on AGNC. I have a tab already created. And so at the making of this video, AGNC was trading for $18.60. So I'm going to scroll down here and show you guys. As of now, my market value for AGNC is $3,502.48. Currently, my total return with AGNC, I'm up $703.15, or I'm up 25.12%, which is really, really cool. My average cost per share is $14.87, and I currently own 188.30 shares. Now, I'm going to scroll down and show you guys here my history in regards to AGNC. Of course, I'll show you my dividend payment that I just got. So I'll click on show more here, and then I'll click on dividends because I want to show you guys that real quickly. So the most recent dividend payment that I got is from May 11th, and it was for $22.45. Now, the dividend before that, you can see here, was on April 12th, and that was for $22.29. So that's an increase of almost 20 cents, not quite, but almost 20 cents. And of course, you can see the payment before that one was $22.13. And so this is really encouraging because these dividend payments are becoming more and more because I'm reinvesting the money that I gotten for my dividend payment back into the company and grabbing more shares with AGNC. So if I click on May 11th here, just to show you guys, so on May 11th, I had 187.06 shares, and AGNC was paying out 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $22.45. Now, this actually worked in my to my advantage because I have on the dividend reinvestment plan, which is on Robinhood, which means dividend reinvestment plan, which is the drip method. And so Robinhood will automatically grab some more shares of that particular company that you just received a dividend payment from. So if I go back real quickly, just to show you guys that I got a dividend payment here on May the 11th for $22.45, and then right here on May 11th, you see that there was a market buy for $22.45, where I was able to grab 1.24 shares at $18.04. Now, this is actually kind of cool because I was able to grab those shares at $18.04, but currently it's trading for $18.60. So if I go back here, I'll show you guys the $18.60. Now, I'm really excited about getting this dividend payment with AGNC because this is my 7th dividend payment. I'll just show you guys here, just for grins, just for consistency, that this is my actual 7th dividend payment. So as you guys can see here, November the 10th is the first one, December the 10th is the second one, January the 12th is the third, February the 9th is the 4th, March 9th is the 5th, April 12th is the 6th, and May 11th is the 7th dividend payment from AGNC. Now, when it comes to investing in the stock market, you guys, I'm by no means a guru. I'm just an average Joe making all kinds of mistakes right and left. But what I've learned is that I would have been better off if I was thinking long-term dividend investing from the beginning. I would have been way better off. And just to kind of show you guys what the overall snapshot of my account is. Currently, you see $185,310 on the screen. Now, if I click on 1Y, which means 1 year, I am currently down $17,000 for the year, almost $18,000 for the year. And if I click on all time, which is, I shouldn't click on it, but I'll click on it. All time, I'm down $25,000. I started to invest in Robinhood back in 2016 or so. No, at that time, I did not have $211,000 invested. I actually had less than that. Right now, when I started to reinvest, which was back in May 2020, since May 2020, I have invested $206,000. And so therefore, for the year, once again, I am currently down almost $18,000. And the reason why I show you guys this is because I want you guys to have a full view of what's going on. So you see $185,000 and you're like, man, this guy's doing well. And the reality is I am still digging myself out of this hole. And that's why I think dividend investing is probably going to be a better type of investment instead of trying to do like day trading, which I did try to do, which is complicated. And of course, everybody's kind of in love with making quick money, fast money, that type of deal, when the reality is for most people, that's not quite sustainable, right? So that's kind of why I've turned to dividend investing. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. And feel free to share this video and channel with somebody that may find it useful. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.